undifferentiated, one chi, one chi, one field, the same chi in our body, the same chi in objects, same chi, same field, same consciousness. As information, we can enter all objects. All objects are made of chi. We are chi. We are the same chi, just different information. We can change chi by changing the information. We're going to change the information of our metal objects. We're going to apply new information to our metal objects. Connect with the metal objects, moving the universal chi, spiraling magnetic information, already magnetic. Well done. Beautiful. Can you lift up in front of the camera? Practice. I can see.